and I just want peace and quiet in my house. And some guy is outside with a huge mega speaker sitting out on the bench in front of my windows, blasting music like crazy, like he's the only fucking person in the world around here and nobody else, fucking matters. So now I call security, and security's trying to say, oh, well, it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so we really don't know if we can do very much, but we'll see. And that was a while ago, and I'm still waiting. And it's ridiculous because the property management is supposed to make sure that I'm afforded a peaceful, quiet apartment at all times. And this is on the property. He's on the property making the noise. They make the excuses that, oh, people are in their cars, we can't do anything, call the police. Well, this guy's on the property with the speaker, blasting music, and no one's doing anything. It needs to be taken care of. It's ridiculous. 3 years now I've been dealing with this shit. I mean, I'm sitting in my apartment and this is what I hear. This is how loud. It's like blasting.